Hello, my name is Gehlen. I'm a German architect by profession, but I do trainings, facilitations, and organizational development. And we do these programs here with Tirian, and they are rather special because what I like about it is that it's so energetic, and that really when people do this, they go through that, they get really pumped up out of this. But beside that, it's just something which motivates you. It's as well a program where people really get the learning. They really get the learning out of it. So it's not too academic and it's not too much having fun, but it's really the healthy mixture between it. So, well, we run this mainly in English, aber auf der anderen Seite können wir das genauso gut auch in Deutsch machen, weil mein Hintergrund Deutsch ist. But we can do this as well in Bahasa Indonesia, so as I'm trilingual. So we run these programs in Bahasa Indonesia as well. And seperti itu saya mau selamatkan datang untuk semua peserta Indonesia. Dan kalau perlu ya kita bisa membuat itu program di dalam bahasa itu juga. Oke, terima kasih.